Panumpakong ditikabian o pagahuktan ko ang naman ni panumpakong di ko mubuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanin mo ang langit sa...
The region was created on May 17, 2002. After dividing Region 4 into Region 4A and Region 4B, under Executive Dock Order No. 103, Region 4B was renamed Mimaropa Region under the Republic Act No. 10879, which established the Southern Tagalog Region to be known as the Mimaropa Region on July 17, 2016. The capital city of Mimaropa is Calapan City, which is located in Marinduque. Mimaropa have 5 provinces, which are Occidental Oriental Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan.
Mimaropa is not just about natural beauty. It also offers unique cultural experiences and warm hospitality. The local cuisine, featuring fresh seafood and tropical fruits, is a culinary delight. These are the top 10 famous restaurants in Mimaropa. Discover Kaloy Seafood Restaurant in Puerto Princesa, where fresh seafood meets authentic Filipino hospitality for unforgettable dining experiences. Dining with stunning ocean views at Pajao Seafront Restaurant in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Culinary delight at Captain Ribs, where every bite is an adventure into local flavors. A Filipino cuisine with stunning beachfront views at Resto Veranda in Puerto Galera. Experience culinary excellence at Papa Fred's Steakhouse with stunning beach views and a diverse menu featuring steaks and local delicacies. Experience the rich flavors of Oriental Mindoro at Dine at Log Restaurant in Pinamalayan, where culinary tradition meets modern dining. Discover authentic Vietnamese cuisine at Non La Aramasit Restaurant in Roas, Palawan, where every dish tells a story. And lastly, experience a dining surrounded by nature at Nature's Gift Garden Resto in Mansalay, offering fresh local cuisine in a serene garden setting. The Mimaropa is a melting pot of cultures, and this diversity is reflected in the region's delicious and unique cuisines, from seafood delicacies to spicy stews. The Mimaropa region has a lot to offer in terms of food. These are the top 10 food delicacies in Mimaropa. First is Dalamayo. This dish is made by marinating fresh fish in a mixture of vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and spices, and then sun-drying it until it becomes dry and firm. Adobo Sagata is a popular dish in Marinduque, made with pork cooked in vinegar, soy sauce, and coconut milk. It has a rich and creamy flavor that is perfect for pairing with steamed rice. Sinaing na tulingan is a popular dish in Occidental Mindoro, made with tulingan, slow cooked in salt and vinegar until tender and flavorful. Sarsa is a popular dish that originated in the province of Romblon in the Philippines. It is a savory sauce made with shrimp and spices that is usually served with grilled or fried fish or meat. Sinigang na hipon is a popular sour soup dish in Palawan, made with shrimp cooked in tamarind broth and vegetables such as tomatoes, onions, and kangkong. Bulanglang is a healthy vegetable soup in Mindoro Oriental, made with a variety of vegetables such as squash, string beans, and malunggay leaves, cooked in fish sauce and flavored with tomatoes and onions. Kinilaw is a popular appetizer in Marinduque, which is made with fresh fish or seafood marinated in vinegar, calamansi juice, and spices. It's a refreshing and tangy dish that's perfect for summer. Ginataang manok sa luyang dilaw is a popular chicken dish from Oriental Mindoro, made with turmeric and coconut milk.
Welcome to Cooking Ina!
Nagbago na, nawalan na ng sigla ang iyong mga mata. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman ang lamig ng gabi, kahit na magdamag na tayong magkatabi. Bakit ka nag-iba? Meron na bang iba? Sana sinabi mo, para di na umasang may tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo, hahayaan naman kitang sumaya at umalis. Sana sinabi mo, para di na umasang may tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo, hahayaan naman kitang umalis. Umalis. Binibilang ang hakbang hanggang wala ka na. Nagbabaka sakaling lilingon ka pa. Hindi na ba mababalik ang mga sandali, mga panahong may lalim pa ang iyong ngiti? Bakit ka nag-iba? Meron na bang iba? Sana sinabi mo, para di na umasang may tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo, hahayaan naman kitang sumaya at umalis. Sana sinabi mo, para di na umasang may tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo, hahayaan naman kita. Sana sinabi mo, para ang mga ayaw mo'y aking iibahin. Di ba sinabi mo, basta tayong dalawa'y sasaya ang mundong mapait. Di ba sinabi ko, gagawin kong lahat upang tayo pa rin sa huli. Biglang nalaman ko, may hinihintay ka lang palang bumalik. Sana sinabi mo, dahil di ko maisip ano bang nagawa kong mali. Sana sinabi mo, para di na umibig ang puso ko muli. Sana sinabi.
Nak! Tikman mo nga to. Init! Okay na to.
Pero what if
What if napapagod na siya, hindi niya lang sinasabi sa'yo?